From the earliest civilizations to modern times, religion has undeniably played a critical role in shaping societies, cultures, and political landscapes. Let's dive into each era and examine how religion has intertwined with human experience. To begin our journey, we turn to ancient civilizations, where we find that religion served as a cornerstone for social cohesion and governance. The ancient Egyptians, for instance, built their society around a rich tapestry of religious beliefs. The belief in gods such as Ra and Osiris influenced everything from the design of monumental architecture, like the pyramids, to daily life, rituals, and the political hierarchy. Pharaohs were often considered divine or semi-divine figures. Moving to Mesopotamia, we see similar patterns. The Sumerians, Babylonians, and Assyrians placed great emphasis on their pantheon of gods, with temples and ziggurats serving both as places of worship and centers of administrative power. Religion provided a framework for understanding natural phenomena, societal organization, and morality. In the classical age, the Greeks and Romans further exemplified the interplay between religion and society. Greek mythology, with its pantheon of deities, not only influenced literature and art, but also connected to civic life, with festivals and rituals integral to city-state identity. In Rome, the state religion was closely tied to politics, and imperial cults emerged, emphasizing the worship of emperors as divine figures. Overall, religion in these ancient civilizations offered purpose, order, and a sense of belonging in a rapidly changing world. As we transition into the medieval period, we witness the ascendancy of Christianity in Europe, following the decline of the Roman Empire. Christianity shaped social, political, and cultural life, becoming a unifying force across diverse regions. The construction of grand cathedrals like Notre Dame and St. Wow. Peter's Basilica not only served religious purposes, but also manifested the power and influence of the church in society. This period also saw the advent of monasticism, which preserved knowledge through scriptoria and maintained education and literacy. The church also played a critical role in law and governance, with canon law influencing secular legal systems and providing moral frameworks for communities. Simultaneously, the rise of Islam during this era transformed the Middle East and North Africa. The establishment of the caliphates led to significant advancements in various fields, including science, mathematics, and philosophy. Islamic architecture, as seen in the Alhambra and mosques, reflects the integration of faith and artistry that characterizes this period. Religion also became a source of conflict, exemplified by the Crusades, where religious motivations intersected with political ambitions. This complex interplay of faith and power significantly shaped the cultural identity of various regions, influencing artistic expression, social norms, and global interactions. In the modern era, the role of religion continues to evolve, wielding considerable influence over global events and societal movements. Religious beliefs have shaped political ideologies and social justice initiatives, often acting as a catalyst for change. For instance, the American Civil Rights Movement was deeply rooted in religious conviction, with leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. drawing upon Christian principles of justice and equality to inspire action. Similarly, the Arab Spring, which saw widespread protests and movements for political reform across the Middle East and North Africa, often invoked religious sentiments and identities. Many activists leveraged their faith to call for justice, dignity, and human rights, illustrating how religion can both unify communities and galvanize political change. In our contemporary global landscape, conflicts arising from religious differences, such as sectarian violence and fundamentalism, remind us that religion can be both a source of inspiration and division. Yet, it also remains a powerful tool for social cohesion and activism, with interfaith dialogues and movements advocating for peace and understanding across religious divides. In conclusion, the role of religion in history is multifaceted and profound. From ancient civilizations to the modern world, religion has shaped social structures, political systems, and cultural identities in ways that continue to resonate today. It offers a lens through which we can understand not only the past, but also the complexities of the contemporary world. As we continue our study, I encourage you to reflect on the ways in which religion has influenced your own lives and the societies around you. Let's engage in thoughtful discussions, explore various perspectives, and appreciate the richness of human experience that religion represents.